the way outside the burnout pad. Little 360 before he tips it in. Who loves neighbor? Sandy, let's see that 360. 360. Yeah! Woo! That's what the people wanted. Yes! Yes! Burn the house down, Cletus! Yes, put that fire out, please. Oh my God. Quick, put it out. Put it out, put it out. There's fuel lines and electrical cords and things that have great value right there. Give it up for Cletus and Nate.